Alright everybody, I'm back. So now we're going to do the last part of this video, or the follow-up to the Bundt pan pineapple upside down cake. So it's cooled actually for a couple of hours. I kind of covered it on the counter with some wax paper. So now we're going to carefully turn the Bundt pan over onto my little cake server here. Cake server, cake saver. And we're going to taste it and see how it is. So that's pretty much all there is to it. So before I actually do that, I want you to see that kind of golden brown color that it has. That's kind of what you should be looking for. It's not too done. It's kind of just right. And I actually balled that up and I shouldn't have. So hopefully we will get this out of here and it will not break any of the pineapples. Anything like that. What I normally do is I'll cover this with wax paper. This is a nice little fancy, it can actually be a punch bowl too if you turn this upside down and put that on there. But for all intents and purposes, we're going to use it for this. I'm just going to put that on there, just like this. And you can use a regular plate, whatever you have, you've got something like this. Just a regular ceramic plate, you can do that as well. This is just really nice because you can have it sitting on the table, or it can be a centerpiece on the table if you're having Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. Turn that over. And that came out perfect. So see that? This is how it should actually look. Now the best part, I'm going to put some water in here and let this soak. So all of that oiling that you guys saw me do actually ended up hanging off. I'm going to get us a good cut knife. Some more water in there. Let's see here. Use this nice fancy green one to cut it. Hand towels right here. And we need a plate. And I'm getting a fork too. Should have had everything laid out. So, I'm only going to get a small piece. We'll cut it about right here. That knife goes through nice and smooth. Get a piece of that pineapple. Oh, it's juicy. I'm only going to get a small slice of it. I'm going to lift. And that's the sides of it. Oh, this looks like it's going to be great. You can tell where the juice was in there. Amazing. A little bit of pineapple. So it'll be a little bit more moist up here at the top with pineapples, of course, but very uniform. Absolutely delicious. This will be a hit at any get-together, even if it's not the holidays. So with that, this video is actually done, and more to come. If you've been following along with my more recent uploads, I'm working on some Amish friendship bread starter, and we're going to pick back up, I think, on Tuesday and add some more ingredients to that. So before you leave off of this page, don't forget to subscribe below and feel free to comment. And I will see you guys next time. Universe Jarvis is out.